Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add text over images or GIFs in Card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Card account and open the site you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see different tools available for customization. Next, click on Add Element from the main toolbar and select Gallery from the dropdown. This element allows you to upload and manage images or GIFs on your page. Once the gallery is added, click on the Upload button to add your image or GIF. Choose the file from your computer and hit Open. It will instantly appear in your gallery. Now it's time to add text. In the gallery settings, find the caption field. Type the text you want to display over your image or GIF, then press Enter to confirm. Your text will now appear as an overlay on the visual. To customize how your text looks, go to the Appearance tab, the paintbrush icon. From there, open the Captions tab, where you can adjust the font style, alignment, and size. Under Style, choose where your text should appear, top, center, or bottom. Next, in the Visibility dropdown, decide when the caption should appear. Always, on hover, or not hovered. This gives you full control over how viewers experience your content. Once you're happy with the settings, click Done to save your changes. Your visually enhanced Card page is now complete with beautifully placed text over images or GIFs. And that's it. So that is how you can add text over images or GIFs in Card. So that's all for this video. Thanks.